Summer, winter, you need a fan. Somewhere in the kids' room that you could have a color there and change it to different designs and all. Easily accessible via remote control smartphone. I'm going to show you how to install and operate this fan. Let's show you what you get inside and how to go about. Let's open up the box, show you what's inside. An instruction guide, smartphone application, remote control, gloves, hardware, nicely packaged, your ceiling fan. It is an LED and ceiling fan in a nice large size. With the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew with the micro precision Phillips screwdriver. We're going to unscrew. All the screws are removed. We're going to put the screwdriver in and you're going to take out. You have a leash that you hang so your hands free. You load in neutral leads. You have an option of the holes or the brackets for the 4-inch. Find the hole. Do not over tighten. With the ceiling fan in hand, find a location to put your leash in the center. Lock on so it can hold nice and securely so you can do your work. With the supplied wire nuts, you're going to now attach your leads. You're going to gently lift up, tuck your leads in, replace with the precision screws to each of the holes that are located on the 3 sides. Find a location that you want to put your remote holder with the supplied screws and supply your own AAA batteries to the remote control and slide in and close up. This is the remote control. Supply your own AAA batteries. They go in correctly to the back. This is your on and off and pairing mode. To pair the remote control and the unit's not turning on, what you're going to do is shut your unit off for 5 to 10 seconds, allow it to rejuvenate, turn on the unit, hold the button down until it pairs and flashes 3 times. Let go. Now we're able to shut off and turn on your remote control. In order to pair the app, it's a little bit different, and we're going to try to show you how simple it is to get that to operate. But at the meantime, these are your speeds. Number 3, the fan is blowing down. You want to reverse, hit the reverse, and the fan will blow up. You have here is a light. It shuts off, turns on. If you hit this light over here, it decreases and increases. Over here, it changes to Kelvin and increase. We're going to hit these buttons here, and we'll hit the RGB button. And what we're going to do is shut the lights off so we can show you the brightness of the light. So let's get the RGB going. We have the night light with the remote control. Off for 5 to 10, on for 2 to 3 seconds, repeat 3 times, and the light will go into a flashing mode, and your smartphone application is ready to use. Open up the application. We have a white light, as you can see it turning on. We have the brightness set at low. We're increasing it to a maximum of 100%. We could choose our colors of our own. We could shut the light off to show you the night light of the colors. We're going to make it bluish, yellowish. So as it adjusts to the color, give it time. Here's the yellow, and so forth. So let's go into the scene. You can have it doing water, purple anti-clock water. You have colorful clockwise meteor and many, many different types. Colorful clockwise sympathy. You can have static and follow me. Let's bring it back to the white light. Turn it on. On the bottom, we can make this dance to the music of whatever you got playing. That'd be the RGB light. So as I talk, it'll dance. If I wanted the fan, I could have level 6 all the way down to level 1. Turn the fan on. Make me a fresh coffee. Forward and reverse. And more. We have a countdown, so we could put our fan on and shut off. We have a cloud timer. We could schedule it. We could switch the gradient colors. Light strip line order. Light strip length, power on behavior, and do not disturb. You have a smartphone, remote control operation, wall switch. The choice is yours of the model and make you are looking for. To dress up a living room, a kid's room, a garage, an attic, wherever you need to have light and a nice, sufficient tall ceiling. It is protected underneath, easy to clean and maintain, lights up a very nice area. I hope this is something that you are looking for in an RGB ceiling fan. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.